Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a nice video for you guys. It's a try on haul for you guys. I recently got some items from FASHIONNOVA and I know how you guys like me doing videos on my outfits and all that stuff. So here I am again, bringing you guys another video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I do have a discount code XO Miss Grace for some money on FASHIONNOVA. If you guys are interested in purchasing items from FASHIONNOVA, I do have a discount code. You guys can definitely use that code to save some money. Anyways, so let's go ahead and get started. I wanted to show you guys some of the pieces that I got. I will be modeling the clothes so you guys can see what they look like. Oh my god, my nose is so watery, I don't know why. So first shirt I got was a graphic tee. This is what it looks like. I feel so comfortable in graphic tees because I can wear some biker shorts and the shirt, some chucks, and I'm ready to go and it looks good. So I have been really liking the biker shorts with graphic tees. So yeah, so I got this graphic tee. It looked nice with the pink and black, so I picked this one. You guys are gonna see it in the video. Then I also got this sweater. That's what it looks like, and this is the design that it has in the back. It is good to wear like for summer. You can wear it in summer because it does have little holes, so you're not gonna feel hot, or when it's cold you'll still feel warm. I really like the color of it. I've been really liking burgundy. It's a long sleeve, and yeah, it's not too long, so it fits really nice. It's a really nice sweater, so got that one as well. One of my favorite sweaters that I actually picked was this one right here. I like the design and everything. It's so comfortable. It feels really good. It's a little big, and I like that because I like to wear my clothes to be a little bit loose, not big but loose. I like that my clothes feels loose, so this one does feel loose and it feels amazing. I'm comfortable with it. I can wear it with some jeans or with some leggings and I feel so comfortable, and I really like it. I can wear it in summer or fall when it's cold. It's still gonna keep me warm and it's not gonna be too hot, so I really like that. Then I also got something really different. I wanted to try them on, but every time I tried it was like sold out. I got myself, what are they called? These are the back it up overalls. So these are overalls in skinny jeans type. So they're black and they're ripped from the knees, both of them. And then, you know, the overalls. I remember I used to wear overalls back in high school. So I really like, you guys are going to see how I tried it on and how it feels and how it looks. I like it because it's tight and it's not loose, and they have pockets. Very comfortable stretchy jeans, so it'll fit. Also, I had to get me a pair of my favorite jeans. I had to get a new pair. You guys have seen me in my videos wear these ones. They're the ones that have a little cut on the knees. I really love these ones. They're so stretchy and comfortable. I feel like it makes my butt look big, so I like that these jeans fit to everybody's body. FASHIONNOVA jeans are like the most comfortable jeans you can try on. Trust me when I say it, because I even have my child addicted to FASHIONNOVA jeans. All she wants to wear now is FASHIONNOVA jeans because they're stretchy and very comfortable. They make your body look really nice. So these are my favorite jeans, and I had to get a new pair because you can never have enough favorite pair of jeans. So yeah. Then the last thing that I got was, I actually wore it already, that's after I put it inside out. These gray jeans. I don't have a pair of gray jeans like this, so I wanted to try something different because I want to get like denim, that color. So I got these ones. They're distressed jeans, skinny from the bottom, and they're stretchy. They have pockets in the back as well. Very comfortable. I actually feel like you can wear these with either chucks, boots, because I wear them with boots. You can wear them with heels as well because they're skinny from the bottom. They're very comfortable, you guys, and your body looks really amazing in them. So yeah, I only got those. I don't know, give me any ideas of what you guys would like me to choose for next time that I do place my order. And that's about it. Love you guys so much. and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check the down bar for all that information if you guys are interested in getting anything from FASHIONNOVA. I'll link everything that I have. And before I go, I know a lot of people are going to ask me, because a lot of people always ask me when I wear this sweater. I also got this from FASHIONNOVA, and actually wearing some jeans from FASHIONNOVA as well. So yeah, and I'm very comfortable. So I'll talk to you guys later. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.